Hello, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you on how you can get 10,000 PAW free token. Now, this token is like a token that is currently almost worthless, but any token that is a token that is not performing well or that didn't perform well today may later perform well tomorrow. That's why you shouldn't take this this free coin that is being given currently. Don't take it for granted. So as you can see, the all-time low date was yesterday, April 4 2022, and the all-time high date was last month, 28th. And currently now they are giving 10,000 of this token for free. 10,000 of this token for free, and it's currently listed on Vitesse Exchange. So that's why it's like a new token. Not really new, but I'm just saying, I'm using the word new, meaning that it hasn't performed well at all. It's like nothing to write home about. So the first thing you need to do, make sure you head to our Telegram channel to follow the procedure. Follow the procedure. As you can see, I've been giving my 10,000 PW, which is currently worth nothing, just $0.19, $0.19, and you can receive the ball from this wallet. So I'll be dropping the procedure on the Telegram channel. It's very direct and simple. On our Telegram channel, just follow the procedure, create your wallet, and drop it on the Reddit account that I'll be dropping the link, on our Telegram channel. Make sure you join our Telegram channel, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates on finance and wealth. Thank you, and see you in our next video.